In this video, we're going to use tape diagrams again, but this time for division, and I wrote early division because I'm talking about small math facts. So, of course, we have students that are going to learn their times tables, right? The 3 times 6 is 18, and then we reverse the fact that 18 divided by 6 is 3, and that 18 divided by 3 is 6. So again, the idea of division is going to follow multiplication, just flipping those math facts. But we're going to want to first talk about what happens when we do division and we get that a remainder of 0, so it divides evenly, or what happens if I get a remainder. So the best way to illustrate that is with tape diagrams. So let's say that I had, for example, 20 pieces of candy, and I was going to fair share it among 5 students. How many pieces will each student get? Okay. Fair share is a common term that we use, so that means that we're all getting the same number of candy. One kid's not getting 12 and the other kid's getting 3. We're all getting the same amount. Okay, so for our tape diagram, we're going to let each box again represent a student. So I have 5 students. Okay, now imagine I have 20 pieces of candy and I start marking it out. So this person gets 1. Each person gets 1 piece of candy. Okay, then each person gets 2 pieces of candy. And right now I'm at 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And here we have, I've ran out of candy and each kid got the same amount. That means that I have a remainder of 0. So 20 divided by 5 equals, and my answer here is how many did each student get? Well, each student got 4 pieces of candy. And again, the remainder is 0. Now, what would happen is that, let's say instead of having 20 pieces of candy for 5 students, I had 23 pieces. And again, you're going to have some smart students. Well, probably they're all smart and wonderful and amazing. But you'll have somebody who's really fast at math saying, that's not going to work, that's not going to work. Well, then we'll say, okay, well, let's talk about why it's not going to work. Okay? And what will happen when I go through this is that I will get the same picture that I just did. However, I'll still have 3 pieces left. 3 pieces left because here's my 20 and there's not enough to fair share with everybody. So this is a remainder of 3. So here 23 divided by 5 is 4 with a remainder of 3. All right. So tape diagrams, how we use them with division is that we basically imagine dealing out fair share to each group, and we'll see whether it divides evenly with a remainder 0 or if we have a remainder of numbers. All right, good luck. I hope that helps.